going on, guys? Happy Monday. Here I am, beginning of the work week, and Tropical Storm Fred is just hitting us hard, man. We have been getting showers, I mean real hard showers, and it stops, then it comes down, then it stops, and it comes down, and it dries out, then it comes down, man. It's just back and forth. So today all I can do is just a little bit of maintenance, because we can get out there and rut these people's yards. So let's do a little bit of maintenance on this TORO 60V 21-inch mower, and I'm going to show you guys how easy the maintenance is on this thing. Let's see if I can find the wrench. It's got to be here around somewhere. But yeah, also, I have the Z Master 4000. And for you guys have been asking, let me show you real quick. This pedal right here is for my green guard chute blocker, and I know a lot of you guys been asking. And basically, again, you press and it closes, press and it opens, close, open. Simple installation, guys. Easy. I mean, you have to have a chute blocker if you're mowing residential properties, man. Simple as that. And look in the video description. I have a code and a link to the green guard chute blocker. So let's see if I can find. Let me put my gloves on first, and safety first, right? Let me take the battery out. And guys, for you guys that are asking, how long does it mow? 2 batteries, 120 minutes. Each battery will give you 0.4 acres, which is, the same size of a average subdivision property. So yeah, where is my socket wrench? I had it around here somewhere. 1 second. Okay, there it is. Here's my socket wrench. And this is all the maintenance, guys. The only maintenance that you have on this mower is sharpening the blades. And let me tell you, the key to a nice, beautiful cut is sharp blades. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy I sharpen my blades. And this one is not too bad. And again, you clean under the deck and you sharpen your blades. This is not too bad. But I'm going to hit it real quick. With my come on, guy. Oh, that's the next door guy. He's good to go. I'm gonna hit it real quick with my Milwaukee battery grinder. And for you guys that this way you don't have to ask. I use a 40 grit and my safety glasses. 40 grit wheel on it, and it works real good. Some people use a 60 grit, but I found that 40 does real well. And just hit it real quick. Good. All right, let me take my gloves off. I like to kind of just rub my finger against it, and I can tell how sharp it is. Not too hard, just, light. And then do the other side. Go, and that's it. And then we go back over here and reinstall it. And that's it, guys. Like I said before, no mixed fuel. No air filters, no carburetor, low noise. And like I said before, you know, it works for my business, guys. You know, I'm not the one that push mow all the time. On the average, I use this mower twice a week. And, you know, 2.1 bushels. And, you know, it works pretty well. That's it. Simple as that. Insert the battery back in there. And you guys that are interested, like I said before, you know, it cuts pretty well, man. This thing cuts real nice. 0.4 acres, you know, low and high speed. And that's about it. Alright guys, if you have any questions in regards to this mower, like I said before, height of cut is all the way to, you know, from 1 inch to 4.5 inches. And it cuts real well. Alright guys, have a blessed one. Leave your comments below. Pop smoke.